Welcome back to LixelStudio software tutorial. In this video, we'll cover the Panoramic Overlay function and the Mesh function. Note that to use these two functions, you will need to do project processing with panoramic images first, about which detailed information can be found in the project processing episode. To use the Panoramic Overlay function, first import all the result.lus files. If you have performed point cloud enhancement for your L2Pro data, you would need to load in all the segments. Once the files are loaded in, select all the result.lus. Go to Panoramic Overlay function and select the Project Processing Result folder. It's always a great practice to double-check that Panoramic Images folder is present. Once Panoramic Overlay is enabled, the left window will show the Pano image and the right side shows the overview of the point clouds. You can browse the panoramic images and the point clouds with your cursor, and move around the project area by clicking on the white arrows. Clicking on the Trajectories button will hide or show the trajectories on both windows. The Point Clouds button on the left will overlay the point clouds on top of the images. When point clouds are shown, you can perform other functions, such as measuring. You can select the measuring tool from the quick access bar and use it on the left window. To use the Mesh function, you do not have to load in the result point cloud first. Just go to the Mesh function and select the result data folder as input. Again, you would want to double-check that the Panoramic Images folder is present in the result folder. And keep in mind that upsampled point cloud chunks from L2Pro cannot be used for Mesh. Then, select the output path, and then specify the mesh format of your choice. Currently, OBJ and OSGB files are supported. When the mesh is successfully built, you can use software such as MeshLab to view it.